Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on Rex again, and well, Rex has a little problem. Basically, the wheel bearing is shot. Probably can't do it right now, but yeah, it moves, which it shouldn't move side to side like that. So I already went ahead and bought some ARP wheel studs. So I'm gonna try to see if my local parts store has the tool to take out the hub, so I don't have to take out everything. But yeah, I'm gonna check that, and then yeah, hopefully they do, so I could leave this here and then just pop it off and then do all that. But I gotta take off the brake caliper, the brake caliper holder thing, the caliper, and the axle too, obviously, and then take off that bottom nut so I can bring this out. So yeah, oh, maybe the tie rod too, but I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything off. I got everything. Well, now it's just free. If you guys look, maybe you can tell if I stop shaking. Yeah, you can hear that, I hope. But yeah, I'm gonna see if the parts store has the tool or if there's any other way. I know I have a friend that has a press, but I want to see if I can do it with the tool and just pop it out like that. But yep, I will get back to you guys in a bit. All right, so I got the hub out and the bearing. So basically what I did was I put it on the wood right there. I basically, it's like this in there. So you want to get a socket that will fit in here. Basically, this is the bearing right here. Well, this is not the socket. Let me get it real quick. A socket like this. This is the 1.125", looks like. But, and it fits in there pretty good. Or just right. So, what we want to do is center it like that. And then just go and just smack it. But make sure it's on there right, so you don't hit that. And that will pop out. Then there's gonna be a C-clip right here. It's gonna be in there. It's gonna be pretty hard. So I got like a punch and then a hammer, and just punch this in the hole that way. And this was scooting a tad bit, enough where I could put the C-clip clamp thing tool and squeeze it enough, and then put a screwdriver and start lifting it up. And yeah, I got that out, and then with this 36 mil socket, put it in, and I just started going hammering, just boom boom, going that way, going down. So I'm gonna get the other one out, and then I'm gonna take this, both of them, to my friend, because he's gonna press these out, because these are pretty bad. I mean, it's still good, but look at that, nasty. So yeah, this is my first time doing it, so I would recommend looking up more videos if they have better solutions, or just take it to a shop and they'll do it. But yeah, it's a pretty good learning experience. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the other side. All right, got that off in like 10 minutes, something like that. And I got that off for like 5 minutes, or it was like 20 minutes in total for me to take off this. So yeah, like I said, I gotta wait for my friend, because he said he's gonna be able to take this off, because this is part of the bearing for right there. So yeah, gotta take that, and hopefully we can do the ARP studs. And I might have to buy some lug nuts, because mine right down there. If it focus, yep. See them? They're closed in, meaning my ARP studs are like this much longer. So yeah. So I will get back to you guys when I go to the shop. All right, so we got both of them done. Well, I didn't, but anyways, replace the ball joints too, because it's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like this, not even supposed to move. So got those replaced, and yeah, see you guys back at the house. Alrighty guys, it's about 7 a.m. in the morning right now, and got both sides done. And bro, look at these, look fresh. My dad has them on Integra on the rear, and yeah, got the new ball joints underneath. So I'm about to go to Cars Coffee, or at least try to make it. 7 right now. It's people are probably there already, like a lot of people. So make sure everything's tightened. Got the cotter pins, tighten that, the back. Brakes the most important. Axle nuts, I gotta hit that right there, and yeah, I should be good to go. And I might have to steal his lug nuts in the front, because he doesn't have the front ones. He doesn't have the front ARP studs, so I'm going to steal it, so don't tell him. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and well, it was actually a pretty good difference when I started driving yesterday. Yeah, changing out the ball joints and the wheel bearings. I don't know if it was just me or not, but I felt like the steering was tighter, and then I think my alignment got more off because my steering wheel was more clocked. But yeah, you guys should do your ball joints. That's probably like the biggest thing that made a difference for me, because one of them was shut. I don't remember if I showed you guys or not, but it was like you could wiggle it, which is not supposed to be. And yeah, also too, my dad did find out. He was like, so what did you do with your lug nuts? And I showed him the video of I was taking his, but I guess he has brand new Skunk 2 lug nuts that he had, like legit brand new from, I think he said he bought them like 15 years ago or something like that, or 14. But anyways, I don't know if he wants to sell it to me or give it to me. I gotta ask him still. And then I will have a freaking nice set of Skunk 2 lug nuts like these were. But the ones that he has brand new, they're like a gold kind of finish. These are like silver, so it matches his wheels. And yeah, well, they're not like gold, they're like a tint of gold. So yeah, big difference. I would highly recommend if you have an older Honda like this, like these. Yeah, just one day go underneath your car with jack stands and check all your bushings and your ball joints and all the stuff that has like rubber stuff included. Because yeah, once that is fixed, you will feel a difference and it'll ride much better. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. So if you like today's video, if you guys like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe with that notification bell on, and share if, I don't know, to your fellow other Honda buddies or other people that has older cars, I guess. And yeah, till next time.